Listen up, you lot. Kamado grilling, it's not just some fad, it's an art form. These ceramic bad boys are like the Rolls-Royce of grills, built for even heat, smoking, searing, you name it. But even with the best kit, you can still muck it up. Temperature control, flare-ups, these are the banes of any grill master's existence. We're about to turn you into a Kamado grilling genius.
First things first, temperature control. With a Kamado, you've got the power to cook low and slow or crank up the heat for a perfect sear. The key here is the vents. Top vent, bottom vent, they work in tandem. It's a delicate dance, but once you've mastered it, you'll be cooking like a symphony orchestra. And for God's sake, get yourself a decent thermometer. You can't judge a steak by its color, you donkey.
Next up, heat retention. That thick ceramic construction, it's like a bloody furnace, holding onto heat like it's going out of style. This means you can cook for hours on end without constantly adding more fuel. Low and slow barbecue? Piece of cake. Smoking a brisket for 12 hours? No problem. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Now, let's talk versatility. A Kamado isn't just a one-trick pony, you know. Grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, you name it, the Kamado can do it. Pizza. Get yourself a pizza stone and you'll be churning out crispy wood-fired masterpieces in no time. Peking duck? No problem. Just rig up a rotisserie and you'll be in culinary heaven. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes Kamado grilling so damn exciting.
Listen up, you lot. In this day and age, we need to be mindful of our impact on the planet. And that's where the Kamado comes in. Because these babies are fuel efficient as hell. That thick ceramic construction, it doesn't just retain heat, it also means you're using less fuel to get the job done. So ditch the gas guzzlers and embrace the Kamado revolution.
Now, let's talk flavor. With a Kamado, you can infuse your food with incredible smoky flavors that will make your taste buds sing. The secret? Wood chunks. Soak them in water, toss them on the coals, and let the magic happen. Applewood for a sweet and fruity flavor. Hickory for a bold, smoky punch. Experiment with different woods and find your favorites.
Listen, you get what you pay for in life. And with a Kamado, you're investing in quality. These things are built like tanks. That thick ceramic construction, it's not just for show. It's designed to withstand the elements and keep on cooking year after year. Invest in a Kamado and you'll be grilling for life.
Now I know what you're thinking. All this talk about ceramic construction and temperature control sounds complicated, right? But trust me, maintaining a Kamado is a piece of cake. That ash catcher at the bottom, it collects all the debris, making cleanup a breeze. And the ceramic surface, it's a doddle to wipe clean. This is one low-maintenance grilling machine.
Let's face it, size matters. And when it comes to grilling, bigger is almost always better. Some of these Kamados are absolutely massive. We're talking multiple cooking surfaces, enough space to roast a whole pig. You could host a barbecue for the entire neighborhood with one of these bad boys.
Let's be honest, looks aren't everything. But when it comes to grilling, wouldn't you rather have a showstopper? And let me tell you, a Kamado is a head-turner. That sleek ceramic design is a thing of beauty. It's like a work of art for your backyard. So ditch that rusty old grill and upgrade to a Kamado.
Now listen up, because this is where things get really interesting. The world of Kamado accessories is vast and ever-expanding. We're talking gadgets and gizmos galore, all designed to take your grilling to the next level. Pizza stones, rotisserie kits, heat deflectors, you name it, they've got it. But the one accessory that will blow your mind? The slow roller. Imagine perfectly smoked pulled pork, fall off the bone ribs, all cooked to tender perfection.
There you have it, you lot. 10 tips to transform you from a grilling novice to a Kamado king or queen. We've covered everything from temperature control to innovative accessories, all designed to help you achieve grilling greatness. Now, I know what you're thinking, Gordon, this all sounds amazing, but where do I get my hands on one of these bad boys? Well, look no further than the link in the description below. Eco Grill Essentials has a fantastic selection of Kamado grills to suit every need and budget. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself a Kamado, fire it up, and get grilling. And don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces in the comments below.